Hi guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. One of the big questions we get is I've got a brand new 79 series and I'm getting it custom dyno tuned. Do I need an upgraded clutch? Well, the answer is yes, you do. Whether the vehicle is brand new with only delivery kilometers on it or it's done a few Ks, every one of the 79 series that's got a factory clutch in it does need an upgraded clutch. The reason for this is due to the extra torque we do generate through the custom dyno tune, we see around 80 to 100% gain in torque from around 16 to 1800 RPM, which is such a game changer in how these vehicles drive. Whether it be just an everyday driver or you are towing with it, a custom dyno tune makes these vehicles an absolute pleasure to drive. This is a brand new 79 series that's coming for a custom dyno tune and a clutch upgrade. Great example, you can see this one's never seen a dusty road or gone through a river crossing. Nice brand new gearbox. The clutch that we do use here as preference is the NPC 1300 Nm clutch. It is an absolute pleasure to drive. The pedal feel actually feels a lot better than standard. A lot of people think when you get an upgraded heavy duty clutch, that means the pedal's going to be really hard to push in. That's actually wrong. The good thing with this clutch is nicer pedal feel, but can handle that extra torque. The MPC clutch kit has a full assembly, including a billet flywheel as well. So you have a full front to back new clutch assembly. So guys, if you do have a 70 series, you're looking to unleash that extra power, give us a call, speak to our diesel experts. As mentioned, you do need to fit up a clutch. We fit a lot of these into a lot of our manual vehicles, whether it be the Toyota 70 series or your Hilux, and a lot of other manual vehicles do need clutches as well, which we do install at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. So give us a call, speak to our diesel experts, and get your vehicle the way you'd like it.